everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, and today's episode we are going to have so much fun because today we are going to celebrate NORVINA's collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am so surprised that this is her first collab with ABH. Anyway, I saw that you guys had requested for me to do a review, a tutorial, a demonstration in the comment section of the last video, and I said absolutely. So guess what? The PR package came today, so we're both in luck. The palette is cruelty free. Just for those of you that want to know, it's cruelty free. It retails for $42. It's available at the ABH website. Let me just double check on everything. July 29th, online, Ulta Beauty. August 7th, online, Sephora, Macy's, Dillard's, Nordstrom's, JCPenney. And then in August 7th as well, international retail launches online. Alrighty, so we have the palette. NORVINA. I think it's got all of those gorgeous tones, and I will say this off the bat. I am so happy it's not a warm palette. I am so tired of these warm palettes. There are hundreds of warm palettes out there. As you can see, I've already done the tutorial, which we'll go into later. And for the first time for ABH, they have 7 shimmers on top, and then they have 7 mattes at the bottom. Apart from the color red, I love purple. So this was kind of sort of up my alley. The palette is highly pigmented, equal fallout, so you've got to be careful. Make sure that you have your powder underneath your cheeks. Some of the colors that I loved, of course, it was Celestial. Let me just swatch Celestial with my finger right here, and I'm going to just do it right there. Celestial was gorgeous. Let me do a matte. So let me do Passion. And remember guys, this is my rich dark skin, so you can have an idea and look at how rich that color is as well. Rose Gold had me feeling all kinds of vibes. Delish. That again now is a shimmer. Look at how fabulous. So was the real true mauve mama of this palette. It was a matte, and it was kind of like a bluish purple. I'm going to put it right here for you guys. There you go. Never seen a color like this. This was everything. Loved Dazzling. That one too, another shimmer. Voila. Drama was another shimmer as well. Really rich plumish. Look, rich plum. Feeling that. And then, so yes, this is the palette, my darlings. Do you see how pigmented it is? Very different, cool tones, but very rich. I die. In the PR package also, and ABH has a reputation for this, and I love it. We got OPI nail polishes. I'm wearing the white pearl color, and this is called Happy Anniversary. Guys, this is a color that should be in your collection if you're going to get married, for engagements, that whole season. I tried it on immediately and I love it. It's a wonderful, lovely, pearly white neutral that works for the summer. The second one is called Princess Rules. It's a lovely pearly pink, very French manicure-esque. And then the mauve, which is in line with the theme of the entire palette, it is called Show Me Your Tips. The liquid glow was gorgeous, and I used Patina. A quick tip for you guys, you put it on the back of your hand, you take a beauty blender, a moist one, and you just dab it onto your cheekbones. You will get the maximum effect by doing that. You can put it all over your collarbones, your shoulders, your T-zone, chin, sides of your temples, as well as your cheekbones. You can even run it down the front of your legs. Add a little bit of baby oil and you are good to go. This is Patina Liquid Glow. So let me just put a little bit on my arm. Look at Patina. There you go. So it's a lovely, lovely shimmer. So this is Penny. And Penny is more of a copper. And then the last one is Rose Gold, and there's no explanation needed, and this is truly a Rose Gold, and these liquid glows go for $25. This right here love this. I'm going to tell you right now, it is F.D.V approved. All right, the lip glosses. The lip glosses are iridescent, so they give off a different reflex. They had different colors here. They're all relatively the same. You can wear them on their own. You can wear them on top of liquid lipsticks if you like as well. These retail, I think, for $18. So guys, look out for that. It's such a summer look, so fresh. From left to right, Venus, Estella, Freya, Sunscape, and Luna, with different reflex sparkles of pink, blue, gold, peach, and multi-reflex. Let me swatch Sunscape for you guys. So this is Sunscape. There you go. Here's Estella. So you can see the pink reflex in Estella. Luna. And that's a yellow reflex. It's Venus. And that also has like a hot pink reflex. This is Freya, and that has a multi-reflex. And then last but not least was Violet. And that was the liquid lip. Delish, retails for $20. I wore it in the tutorial, you'll see, and I topped it off with one of the glosses. So I suppose you will want to have like a little swatch. So let me give you a little swatch right there. Absolutely yummy, gorgeous. You can put a little bit on, you can put it full on, bam. You can put a gloss on top of it. It's a yummy color, and it is very, very Norvina. Darlings, do we love? It is so different from anything that I have done in a while. I have bottom lashes as well as top lashes, and I will tell you this, I love the look. I love the fact that it's not a warm toned palette. I think this is very Norvina. She's very, very edgy. For the first time I used the mirror, I now begin to understand why it's great to have a mirror, because you're really complete. You have the palette, you have the makeup brush, you have the mirror, so you can go. I liked the fact that she had 7 shimmers. I liked the fact that she had 7 mattes. We are all different, and sometimes you want to sparkle in the evening, sometimes you just want to have a matte during the day. The colors were pigmented, and I'm deeper skin toned, and still they popped up on my complexion. I love the liquid glow. I loved how it just gave me that natural glow, and I tell you this, without doing the whole war paint, and I'm just out in the summer enjoying the sunshine, I would put the glow and nothing else. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use this again for a quick 10-minute makeup tutorial out the door, and I'll use this for you guys. For those of you that are thinking of getting one or all of them, absolutely gorgeous. And you saw how I topped it off onto my lipstick. Lip glosses were gorgeous. So Ula, my love,
is it F.D.V approved?
It is absolutely F.D.V approved. I loved this, and I can't reiterate, but I love the fact that it wasn't a warm palette. It was so different. It was so much fun. I love the nail polishes. I love the liquid glow, and I love the lip glosses. It's such a fun summer collection. So guys, go out there and spoil yourselves. All right, I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.